The XS6 RC Mini Drone is a versatile and user-friendly quadcopter designed to provide an enjoyable flying experience for both kids and adults. With a focus on portability and intelligent features, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial moments indoors and outdoors. Its advanced technology, including obstacle avoidance and a high-quality camera, makes it a great gift for any occasion. Intelligent flight and advanced safety. The XS6 Mini Drone is equipped with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, a crucial safety feature that helps it automatically navigate around potential collisions. This makes it an ideal choice for beginners who are still getting the hang of flying. The drone also features optical flow hovering, which allows it to hold its position with remarkable stability, ensuring you can capture smooth photos and videos. With one-click takeoff and landing, flying is simplified from the very start. Superior camera and extended range. This mini drone is a powerhouse for its size, offering a choice of a 6K or 8K HD dual camera system. The cameras provide stunning clarity for both photos and videos. The 90 degrees wide-angle field of view ensures you can capture expansive landscapes and cinematic shots. The drone's 5G Wi-Fi connectivity allows for real-time video transmission to your device, giving you a first-person view of your flight. With a remarkable remote control distance of up to 5,500 meters, you can explore distant areas and capture unique perspectives with ease. Compact and user-friendly design. The XS6 Mini Drone is built for convenience. Its foldable design makes it incredibly compact and easy to carry, fitting into a small bag or even a large pocket. The drone's remote control has a built-in lithium battery, which can be easily recharged via USB. With a flight time of 15 to 20 minutes and a quick charging time of about 60 minutes, you'll have more time in the air and less time waiting. The user-friendly functions like headless mode and gesture photography make flying and capturing content intuitive and fun for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.